friends, Mrs. Elmore here. Hope you all are doing well. I was just getting ready to make a smoothie for my family and thought I would share with you one of our favorite easy go-to smoothie recipes, okay? So this is for a green smoothie, so we have to keep our colors in line here, but most of our smoothies we start with a banana as our base. If your family does not like bananas, you can sub it out for something else. I'm going to add some frozen spinach to it. If you have fresh spinach or kale, either of those would work as well. And then some frozen mango to keep the color nice and green. I have coconut milk for nice little fat. And I'm going to add some hemp hearts also for fat and then protein. And then I'm going to fill it with our milk, okay? We use Ripple milk in my household, but if you use regular milk, that's totally fine. Or if you'd like to just fill it with water, you can absolutely do that. And if you are a nut-friendly family, you could sub out the coconut milk and do almond butter. Any of those things will work. So this is pretty adaptable for what you guys have in your household, and it's a fun way to make a nice green smoothie and get some veggies in. Okay, here we go. All right, so you can freeze your bananas if you like to have your smoothies super cold. My son does not like them super, super cold, so I use a fresh banana. But if you're gonna freeze your bananas, or if you have old ones that just need to be taken care of, break them into pieces and put them in a bag and you can freeze them. So there's our banana, and then I have our spinach. I am not measuring this out, but usually it's about half a cup of spinach. And then about half a cup of our frozen mango. You could use pineapple as well. It'll still keep it nice and green color. There's our mango. I'm gonna add our hemp hearts. This is one of my favorite brands and types of hemp seeds. I've tried a bunch of different ones, and the other ones just haven't worked out as well. So here's what we use. So we use about a big spoonful or two hemp hearts, and then I do a big spoonful of coconut milk. So getting the nice cream on top, adding a little bit of the liquid. And then the only thing that I really ever end up measuring is my liquid. So we drink ours out of mason jars, and so I just fill it up and dump that in, and then we are ready to blend, okay? All right, here we go. All right, so here we go. So smoothie is all blended up. You can see it's a nice green color. If you add more spinach, it'll be a little bit darker, less spinach, a little bit lighter, obviously. And if your kid is not really interested in green, get them to be a part of it. So have them put the spinach in. They can start doing less spinach and you guys can slowly add more into it. But here you go. I fill up my mason jar, and there's one smoothie. And this one, a little half one, I do for my son. It's usually all he can handle in the time. And I wanted to show you these cool things. I don't know if you've ever seen these before, but they're tops and straws, silicone tops and straws for mason jars, and they fit both of these. But it's a really great anti-spill way of serving a smoothie. And they also, you can get them where they have sleeves. I'll be sure to link all of that at the end of the video. All right, if you have any questions, let me know, and enjoy your smoothies. Bye.